Okay, howdy everybody. My name's Amanda Hernandez, and we are going to be doing a walkthrough of Challenge 18, the NoSQL Social Network API homework. So I've mostly prepared, just hang with me. We're going to do one take because we're down to the wire. So we've got our code. Let's see, when given a social network API, when I enter the command to invoke the application, then my server is started and the Mongoose models are synced. So let's go ahead and give you an example of that. We've got our connection right here. Sorry, the folders are a little messed up. Here we go. Let's see. And I'm going to invoke it with npm start. Alright, we've got our Mongoose connections right here. Now let's pull up Insomnia because this was a back-end challenge that we did. And I've got most of them set up here. So the first example that I'll show you is the get all users. So we have the local host that it's tied to API users. We got a 200 and we have the get all users here. Okay, let's see. Get user by ID. So let's go ahead and test that. I've pulled Sanholo's, and it's Sanholo. It's a music artist, not Han Solo or whatever it's called. So anyway, don't give me points off for that, please. Okay, so we're getting a user by the ID, and it did pull up Sanholo and his associations. I did some testing earlier. Chet Porter is his friend, and we have a friend count here as well. Let's create a new user. So I believe for that we need, let's see, we're going to post a new user in JSON, and that new user, let's see, erase that, is going to be noobmaster69 at getgood at gmail.com email. So let's go ahead and add him to the lineup, add them to the lineup. Let's see. Okay, so let's go back to our get all users, run it once more. Look. Username. Yeah. Email. New master. Hello. Sorry, I don't need that. Not sure what the difference is, why he's not popping up for us. We have the username, we have the email. That's in the model. User email. Let's see, sorry, hang with me. I'm determined to do this in one take because it's very late. Here, so, Master69, username, did I spell it right? Username, noobmaster, email, at gmail.com. We have it in JSON. Oh, you were probably like, it's post. It's post. I get it now. It's post. It's post. Noobmaster. Woo. Okay, great. So he is been posted. I'm sorry about that. Let's see. Okay, so let's get all users. Okay, Noobmaster is here. Let's roll. Okay, so now we need to show you how to update a user. And we will update. Let's update Noobmaster himself. I'm sorry, if you're still with me, thank you. Okay, so let's update a user. We're updating Noob Master, and he decided he's leveled up and he's Noob Crusher now, still at good. So we're gonna put user and his ID, and he's now Noob Crusher. So we've got that. Let's get all users again, and we have Noob Crusher. So that is red, and now he is banned from our social media network because he ended up being a troll. And let's go ahead and ban Noob Crusher. User and associate thoughts deleted, so let's make sure he's out of there. So we got rid of him. Or them. Okay, so anyway, let's add a friend. I think that's the next thing I need to do. Okay. Sorry. Add friends. Let's grab an ID. So I did already test Sanholo with Chet Porter, but let's give Chet Porter a friend. So let's grab his ID. Add friend, and I believe that's the user ID, and then friends, and we are going to give him a friend of Why Not JP, which is I don't know who he is, so let's see. Let's post. Okay, so Chet Porter now has a friend. That's great. So let's get all users again. And our dear lovely Chet has a friend. That's very sweet. But now the friendships comes to an end. So let's remove the friend. So that it just didn't work out, bro. Chet's always on the road. And so let's delete. Okay, so let's go ahead and get all users again. Alright. It says it was successful, but oh, maybe I don't have the right thing. Hold on, remove right here. Okay, I have to look at that. Okay, anyhow, let's move on to thoughts. So, get all thoughts, let's do a run, success. These are my testing ones as of right now. Let's get a thought by ID. Actually, let's create a thought, create a new thought. Let's see. Got some text right here, some JSON text. So the Kool-Aid Man and the Avengers cause obscene property damage. Chet Porter believes this, as do I. Alright, so he has a thought ID now. So let's get that thought. Ooh. Get thought and grab this, copy, send, shoot. Alright, well, get thought by ID. Well, that stinks. But it did show up here. The Kool-Aid Man and the Avengers cause obscene property damage. So let's try to update that thought and clarify what is happening. Let's see. So update a thought. We've grabbed the ID, and he now says the Kool-Aid Man and the Avengers cause obscene property damage, and they must be stopped. Let's put an action to it, right? So 404 not found. Very rad when I'm talking about my video. This is great. And it didn't show up here, so that's cool. Very cool, Kanye. So delete. Let's try to delete that one. or if we're not found, no worries. It's still the video, get points, so that's okay. And it's still there, so that's okay. Create a reaction. Let's see, so I believe that is API thought ID. I haven't tested these honestly. I've been short on time. Things have been crazy. So hopefully you feel that. But anyway, reactions. To be honest, I'm not even sure how I would show you that. And it's not working anyway. So, I'm going to end it here. We've got get all users. We got the ID. Let me make sure I showed you that. Let's grab Chet Porter. I'm a big fan of him. Okay, we got the ID. Create user. We updated user to Noob Crusher. We deleted him. We gave Chet a friend. We removed said friend. And then we got some thoughts. We couldn't grab it by ID. We ran into some issues here. But, one take. So I'm going to sign off here. I hope you have a great night, and thank you for watching my video. Bye. Hello.